Hello there, welcome to my channel Mini Pancake Delicious Easy Breakfast. So today we are making pancake. I have 2 eggs, so I'm going to mix this egg. I want it to be well mixed, so then take it aside. So let's go ahead and add our other ingredients. 2 teaspoons of sugar. Then I'm going to go ahead and add our flour, all-purpose flour, then powder milk. Then you just go ahead and mix. I'm just going to mix my dry ingredients until it's well mixed. So I'm going to go ahead and add other ingredients, which is my melted butter. So I'm going to add my melted butter to it. Then just give it a nice mix. Then I have other ingredients that I'm going to add. My already mixed egg. So I'm going to add my egg into the dry ingredients. Then I'll go ahead and mix as well. So after mixing this, we still have other ingredients to add, which is my milk. I'm going to add my milk into the surface, then mix it gently, gradually, so it will not pour away. If you've not liked, do not forget to hit the like button. So after mixing, I'm going to step this aside for 30 minutes. Then we'll go ahead and make our mini pancake recipe. So let's go straight to the pan. Butter, so the pancake will not stick. All these are optional. You can decide not to do this. So I'm going to be using my measuring spoon as what I will use to be scooping my pancake, because I want the pancake to be in mini size. So let's start making our pancake. I decided making mini pancake because of my kids, because normally I like making that bigger size of pancake, but they find it difficult to cut and eat. So I decided to start making mini pancakes. So anytime they want to eat their pancake, it's just for them to put their fork and put it in their mouth. So it sizes their mouth and it doesn't need for them to cut it into 2 or cut it to any size they want. So just make it mini to the size that you feel you want it to look like, and it's always perfect and is a perfect breakfast idea for kids, and kids will really love this mini pancake recipe once you try it at home with it. So I already flipped it for the other side, so we are going to wait for 1 to 2 minutes until the other side is ready. Then I'm going to remove it. So we are going to repeat the same procedure for the other dough. So then flip it to the other side, and so that gradually, that's how you are going to repeat this mini pancake step for all your dough until your dough is ready. So I'm still going to go ahead and do the same procedure for this last step of the mini pancake. Then I'll show you other methods for you to eat your mini pancake. You can as well use so many things to try your mini pancake. So I'm just going to go ahead to scoop it with my measuring spoon. As I said, you can use any form to cut your mini pancake. You can even make it more smaller than this if you want it to be more mini, but this size is perfectly okay for the kids. So that's why I'm using this. This is the outcome after flipping it. Just let it cook for 1 minute to 2 minutes. This is the outcome. I'm going to start adding my syrup. You can as well use honey to eat this, or you can fill in the pancake with chocolate, melted chocolate, and you are going to enjoy that. That also is a Japanese pancake and it tastes delicious. I think I'm going to try that recipe with you some other time, and I'm going to show you how to fill your pancake with chocolate. So this is it. I'm just going to add my syrup. You can as well add butter to the surface, or you can add banana. It also tastes delicious. As I said, Olayemi shares a homemade recipe with you guys. You can as well eat this with orange juice, homemade orange juice. Thanks so much for watching this my pancake recipe. Make me happy by subscribing, and do not forget to like and leave comment in the comment section. See you next time. Thanks for watching.